Hello students, welcome to the science class. Today is your physics test of chapter heat. So let's revise all topics of this chapter one by one. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy that we can feel only. Heat flows from higher temperature region of higher temperature to region of colder region due to its difference in temperature. Temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness. How much an object is cold and how much an object is hot, it is measured by its temperature. And temperature is measured with the help of an instrument known as thermometer. By thermometer, we can measure temperature in different scale, degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. We can measure temperature in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Since heat transfer from hotter object to colder objects, so there are three modes of transfer of heat: conduction, convection, and radiation. These are three modes of transfer of heat by which heat can transfer. By conduction method, heat is transferred in solid substances. And by convection method, heat is transferred in liquid and gases. Radiation method, no medium is required. Radiation is the process of heat of transfer in which no medium is required. Some solid substance allow to pass heat through them, so these are known as conductors, like aluminium, copper and iron. So aluminium, copper and iron are the material through which heat can pass easily. So these are known as conductors, good conductors of heat. And some material which do not allow to pass heat through them are known as insulators, like plastics, wood, rubber. All these are examples of insulators. And in our daily life, by conduction method, we use cooking utensils of aluminium, copper and iron, because these are good conductor of heat. By convection method, when we boil water, milk, so by convection method it gets up heat and boil. An interesting phenomena in our life that people living in coastal areas feels it, that is land breeze and sea breeze. Land breeze blows at night and sea breeze blows at daytime. During the daytime, the land gets heated up faster than the water. So when air above the lands becomes hot, it rises up. So the air above the sea moves towards the land to replace it and complete the cycle. This phenomena occur at daytime. So sea breeze, when air moves from the sea towards the land, is known as sea breeze and it occurs at daytime. So sea breeze blows at daytime. At night, lands air above the lands cools down fastly uh, and it moves towards the sea. So at night time, when air moves from the lands towards the sea, this is known as land breeze, and this phenomena occur at night. So land breeze blows at night. In radiation method, there is no medium is required. When we get heat from sun, there is no medium between sun and us. So there is no medium required uh, in radiation method. So revise all topics of this chapter very carefully and Do your test with honestly. All the best.